They were talking about it was a stroke, but I'm like, it's just something's not going right. And you're like, you're going downhill and you don't know why you're going downhill. So it was more of like like I was already writing up a will for my sister to split up my life insurance policy. I was like, I might die. I had to be prepared to be gone.
You want to look at me and smile? Okay.
Like when I first had MS, my legs would drop. I couldn't move my feet. My left arm went out first because it started to itch real bad. One morning I was trying to use the bathroom. I fell in between the toilet and the bathtub, and I had to struggle to get back up. So with MS is, I wouldn't say you don't feel your body. I would say your body just feels very weird. When MS really kicked in, it was just weak. Like it just didn't work. Like like your toes and your hands and your arms are there. You just can't feel them fully. So you'll feel like tingling and numbness, and like when you have no strength, like when you can't pick up anything, like when you can't use your feet, you can't use your toes, you can't walk. It's more of like your body just feels totally awkward. My ability to take care of myself was gone, to be self-reliant. It was hard. Set us down in front of a computer in physical, and I couldn't type. Like I couldn't press like a key. Like my hands were like shaking all over the place. I said there's so much stuff with talk to text, talk to speech. I was like, they have to have something for people that don't have any limbs that work. Dragon is a talk to action, talk to text program. So if you want to open up a program, if you want to move your mouse around, if you want to type something, Dragon lets you voice command everything on your computer. I was going to buy the program. Michelle was like, no. She was like, I'll get it taken care of. We'll make sure we're situated. And she's the one that talked to IT.
When Stefan was out and we were worried he wouldn't get to come back, he left a hole on our team. And knowing that he had the opportunity to come back, it was pretty easy for me to say, I don't care how much it costs. I don't care, what we have to do. Once we figured out that there was the possibility that he could be whole again with this software, it was just like, we need it and we need it now. So it was pretty cool.
Michelle is like my work mother, but like outside of work, like a close friend. So my teammates been on the journey with me even in December. So they were worried before I got diagnosed. They were like, because they didn't know what was going on. They raised a lot of money. When I first got sick, pretty much said that I didn't want him to have to worry about groceries for like a couple months. I think I had some medical bills or something, and I said, maybe I need some help, so maybe I need to try. So I tried LoveWorks. I was like, oh, the car note. It was like, yeah, we can pay that. They said, we'll pay your car note, for like 2 months. So they paid my car, which really helped out a lot, which helped out way more than I thought it was. And now I'm like 6 months ahead on my car note. So, but LoveWorks is amazing. I didn't realize how much good work they do until you actually need it.
For myself, for anyone to know that working for Movement is just something that we're so fortunate to have that opportunity, to know that we work for a company that cares and is so compassionate, just to be a part of a company that just loves and values people. I just love everything about Movement and the way they care for people.
MS, I am back to 110% of myself. Last year, me and my mother was talking about it. Like, she was pushing me around when I came home. She had to push me around in a wheelchair. Now I'm 100%. I can drive, cook, clean. Like, my hands feel weird, but they work 100%. So I'm 100%.